Welcome to our podcast, where we dive into the latest and greatest advancements in the tech world. Today, we're focusing on a hot topic that's transforming the way developers work: GitHub Copilot and its full suite of tools designed to supercharge coding. If you've ever dreamed of writing better code faster, you'll want to stick around. Sound of light background music. Let's start with GitHub Copilot. If you haven't heard of it, think of it as your personal AI coding assistant. It helps you write code by offering suggestions in real time. Kind of like having a copilot, right? It can suggest entire lines or even blocks of code based on the context of what you're working on. Imagine typing away, and suddenly you see a prompt that says, "Hey, how about this function?" It's like having a coding mentor sitting right next to you. Now, the cool part about Copilot is its ability to learn from the vast amounts of code available on GitHub. It's trained on public repositories, so it understands patterns and can suggest solutions that even experienced developers might overlook. Just picture a world where you can focus on solving problems instead of getting bogged down by syntax or structure. How freeing is that? But it's not just about writing code. GitHub also offers a whole ecosystem with tools aimed at security, collaboration, and project management. For instance, they have features to help find and fix vulnerabilities in your code, which, let's face it, could save your project from a potential disaster. A single overlooked security issue can lead to significant implications. So their proactive tools are a game changer for developers committed to building safer applications. And then there's action automation. Ever find yourself repeating the same workflows over and over? GitHub Actions allows you to automate those, making your life a lot easier. You can set up events that trigger certain workflows, like running tests or deploying code, without lifting a finger each time. I mean, who wouldn't want to save that precious time? Now, speaking of collaboration, have you heard about the discussions feature? It's pretty neat. It lets developers engage in conversations right in GitHub about projects and code features outside the code itself. It's an area where ideas can bounce around and critical feedback can be shared openly. This collaborative spirit can lead to some innovative solutions that might not have been discussed otherwise. Breather moment for the listener. Let's talk about accessibility to learning as well. GitHub emphasizes making development more approachable for everyone through their learning pathways, events, and even their README project, which hosts community articles. This is crucial in a field that can sometimes feel exclusive or intimidating. By sharing knowledge, they help foster a supportive environment for both new and seasoned developers. Before we wrap things up, I'd love to leave you with a thought. As technology advances, how do you see the role of AI like Copilot evolving within development teams? Will it replace certain tasks, or will it primarily serve as an enhancer for human creativity? Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. We've discussed a lot about GitHub Copilot and its incredible suite of tools, so hopefully you're feeling a bit more inspired about the future of coding. Make sure to join us next time and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in tech. Until next time, happy coding!